guys, Jen.
Hey,
It's Grace.
and it's Grace.
From Grace and Grace. So, we've got a very, very exciting day today, haven't we?
Yes.
We are going up to London for a Nickelodeon premiere.
Flirt, I believe.
Plan is going up there, meeting Anastasia, meeting our manager, going to the screening, and then basically we're staying in London overnight. And tomorrow is the Big Beast day out, which we're
We're really excited to meet some of you guys for coming along.
And that is what we're doing this weekend.
So we've got our suitcases currently on the train. We're staying overnight, and yeah, I love staying overnight, don't you?
It's the best. It's going to be intriguing because you never know what we're going to get up to.
Exactly.
Look who we're with! Everybody turns around and looks on. We're at a Nickelodeon screening for Blurred over there. We just met the main cast, Jace, Anastasia, bonded. It was madness.
Zoella. That's all I'm gonna say.
But now we're actually going for the screening, like buzzing. Oh, do you? Yeah. Oh, we're all wearing our little Jeremy badges.
Jeremy.
We have no idea what these mean, so I guess we're going to find out.
I think he plays Jeremy. Jace is Jeremy.
Yeah, Jace. We're sitting at the top, not because we're special, just because there was no seats down there. We were told by the Nickelodeon women that we are Nickelodeon vloggers. Guys, we just seen the film.
It was actually so funny.
I think like if you invite your little sister or brother, they'd really enjoy it.
Laughing.
Yeah, even though it's not really aimed for our age, we still liked it.
Yeah.
So definitely go and check it out. Maybe if you have like a younger sibling.
Yeah. Alrighty ho, we've just found our hotel room. They gave us warm chocolate cookies. Oh my god, they're so good, Grace. Oh, my cookie fell on the floor. What have we got? Lush bath. Oh my god.
Wow! Here's our beautiful door, and this is what you see. We've got a desk area, and we've got, what are these, Grace?
Natural.
Tonic waters.
Yeah.
Personally, will you drink yours?
Probably not.
What's in here? Oh.
Wow.
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 Window, massive window. Lush bath bombs. Waters. Shut up. Grace's waters have our names on them.
Wow. I'm having some now. No.
Grace's gas, because you can see the Thames.
And then we decide not to.
Bye, bitch. Okay, let's have a look at the bathroom. Grace, mirror selfie.
Love it.
Okay, here's the bathroom.
Wow.
Oh, Grace, look, marble walls.
Oh my god.
And then another mirror. Okay. It doesn't smell too good in
Smells
here.
like egg.
I'm gassed. Don't know about you, Grace.
I'm gassed.
This vlog's probably really confusing, but we've had quite like a full-on day.
Lots of travelling.
Stunning view of the River Thames. Oh my god, that kind of makes me feel a bit sick that the water's that close. So, we are going out for dinner in like half an hour or so.
Yes.
So, wait, you're wearing
I'm wearing the same thing. I've just touched up my makeup a little bit.
I just
This
changed.
bodysuit is a bit cheeky for me. It
I'm
looks like
wearing-
that cleaning thing.
So yeah, we're gonna go out for dinner soon. Our room's really, really cute. We could take some Instagrams.
Okay. But I've got so much powder on my face that I think the flashback
Could be possible.
because I just thought I'm just gonna chuck loads on.
Yeah,
100 years.
Oh, not too bad.
it's all good.
I've been waiting.
I'm going in the bathroom, by the way. Stop. Okay. Oh my god, that's mad. We just finished eating dinner. Bless, right. So basically, I ordered a very simple dish. I ordered pizza.
And it took.
It
Why
came.
is it always? Whenever
How
we
long
go to
do
a
you think
restaurant,
it
right,
took?
whenever we go to a bloody restaurant, it's always Grace's food that comes last. How long did it take? Like so long.
Oh, thank god there's no one
Yeah,
left.
like, oh my god, my makeup's so patchy. There's a few things that just went wrong. And this man comes out. This poor man. And he's like,
The head chef.
He's like, I'm so sorry. He's like
really, he looks so upset.
He's like, I hope you enjoyed your meal. And
He's like, I really apologise.
I've been making some lemon tart. And
my God.
I was wondering if you'd try it. And then everyone was like, lemon tart for free. I'll pack you on that
Yeah,
one.
because it was like for free. And
Yeah.
I think he felt really like sorry.
Bad. And he was really cute.
That's not a door. Grace! No, because like, right, I think I need to like back away from Grace. Also, I think we need to get some Insta photos in this chair. Because we can actually try and get a photo with that in the back. Really slightly from our room, you can see the city. Yeah, we could get some. Charlotte, does that open?
I'm actually a bit scared. It can't open. That's not a door, is it?
It's not gonna be a door, it's a.
Oh, it just.
Oh my god.
Can you see it?
Is that how far as it goes?
Yeah.
Stick your head out there. Take some photos. But there you go, ladies and gents. This is the view.
Yes,
guys, so we've hit the jackpot. We realised these curtains can go back.
I realised. I'm the genius.
And now we've got these beautiful Barclay sit-and views.
Lantern view.
We've got an orange chair. Does that go? No. But we do have a beautiful nude chair.
So I'm right against the wall.
Okay.
Have you got it?
Yeah.
Heels out the way.
Right. And now we've got this beautiful space. So let's put the chair
Do
here.
you mind if I hold your bag?
That's not a problem. Foley, I've got to announce something.
Okay, go on then.
You're gonna have to move your flares.
Okay.
Grace has been like, literally, I sat on this chair and I leaned back. She's like, Grace, if you lean back on my flares. Right, now we're gonna rearrange the table. We'll get back to you when it's done. We've been doing Instagrams for like, how long?
Very long.
Yeah, because
Hour.
this like city skyline is so like right in the corner of our window, to the point when you literally have to like squidge in, and there's loads of condensation on the windows, so it's really hard to see it. So please everyone just go and pray for us. Right, bye. It is now round 2.
Maybe we should try and get some on the camera.
We lost our outro. I don't know how that happened, but it doesn't exist anymore. Hope you enjoyed the video.